Are you looking for the best folding bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best folding bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Swagtron Swagcycle EB7 Elite Plus. The Swagtron Swagcycle EB7 Elite Plus is a high-performance commuter e-bike designed to provide an exceptional riding experience. With its 7-speed gear shifting, this electric bike allows cyclists to conquer hills with precision and control. The range of speeds available caters to the needs of various terrains, making it versatile for different cycling preferences. In terms of performance and mileage, the EB7 Elite Plus boasts a 23% power upgrade, delivering enhanced pedal assist capabilities. Cyclists can enjoy a throttle-only range of up to 18.6 miles on a single charge, reaching speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour. Additionally, the bike has the ability to tackle steep 25-degree inclines, providing a solution for challenging landscapes. A notable feature of this e-bike is the ability to easily swap out the 36V Li-ion battery, which can be fully charged in 3-4 hours. An optional extra battery, sold separately, offers the convenience of extended ride times. The battery is securely stored in a key-secured compartment, ensuring protection against dust and splashes, as well as providing ease of access. Number 2. Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike. The Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike is a versatile and convenient transportation option, perfectly suited for individuals seeking a lightweight, foldable bike with a step-through frame. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for commuters or those with limited space. The bike accommodates riders ranging from 4'8" to 6'2" in height, ensuring a comfortable fit for a wide range of individuals. One of the standout features of the Schwinn Loop Adult Folding Bike is its smooth gear transitions facilitated by the 7-speed twist shifter. This ensures a seamless and effortless shifting experience during your rides, enhancing overall performance. In terms of safety, the front and rear linear pull brakes offer reliable and confident stops, providing peace of mind while cycling. Number 3. Columba 26-inch Alloy Folding Bike. The Columba 26-inch Alloy Folding Bike is a versatile and compact bicycle designed for convenience and performance. Its key features include a foldable alloy frame and 26-inch wheels with alloy rims, providing a balance of portability and durability. The 18-speed derailleur allows for a wide range of gearing options, enhancing the bike's adaptability to various terrains and riding preferences. For efficient stopping power, the bike is equipped with front and rear V-brakes, ensuring reliable braking performance. Additionally, the Zoom suspension and rear alloy body spring suspension contribute to a smoother ride, absorbing shocks and enhancing overall comfort. The alloy crank arms and alloy hubs ensure strength and longevity, while the alloy kickstand and foldable pedals add to the bike's convenience and ease of use. Number 4. MOPHOTO Adult Folding Tricycle. The MOPHOTO Adult Folding Tricycle is a versatile and convenient three-wheeled bike designed for adult riders. The tricycle is ideal for individuals who prioritize ease of assembly and portability. The package includes assembly tools and a manual to facilitate a straightforward setup process. One notable feature of this tricycle is its adaptability to different rider heights, with options of 20-inch, 24-inch, and 26-inch wheels to cater to varying heights ranging from 4'8" to 6'2". This ensures that riders can choose the size that best suits them for a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience. In terms of durability and functionality, the MOPHOTO Adult Folding Tricycle boasts a sturdy steel frame that can support a substantial load capacity of up to 350 lbs. The tricycle is designed with 7-speed gears to accommodate different terrains and riding preferences, providing versatility for riders.